Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss biotin, which is also known as a vitamin B7, and it plays major role in carboxylation reaction. Learning objective for today's video are: first we will see structure, active forms and dietary sources of biotin. Then we will discuss biochemical functions of biotin, and in the end we will see deficiency manifestation of vitamin B7 along with NEET PG MCQs. To download lecture notes and other interesting stuff related to biochemistry, please visit website biochemistrbasics.com. Before going in the detail of biotin, first let's see type of the question that can be asked from this particular topic in theory exam. So the long answer question like name the sulfur containing vitamins and describe the biochemical functions, sources and deficiency manifestation of any one of them, and the logical reasoning or justifications like consumption of raw egg leads to biotin deficiency and biotin is required for carboxylation reactions. Other names of biotins are vitamin H and anti-egg white injury factor. And biotin is a sulfur-containing vitamin which plays an important role in gluconeogenesis and fatty acid synthesis. Another sulfur-containing vitamin is thiamine. Structure of biotin. So biotin consists of tetrahydrothiophene ring, which is bound to an imidazole ring and valeric side chains. This nitrogen atom accepts the carbon dioxide during carboxylation reaction, and carboxyl group binds with epsilon amino group of lysine residue of carboxylation. And over here there is a presence of sulfur, that's why it is also called as a sulfur containing vitamin. Another sulfur containing vitamin is thiamine. So that is all about structure of biotin. Now dietary sources of biotin. So it is a widely distributed in foods. Liver, kidneys, vegetables and egg yolk are the important sources of biotin. And biotin is also synthesized by intestinal bacteria. Another vitamins which are also synthesized by intestinal bacteria are vitamin K and vitamin B12. Now active form of biotin. So enzyme bound biotin, that is biocytin, is an active form of biotin. Biotin is covalently bound to an epsilon amino group of lysine of an enzyme to form biocytin, which is an active form of biotin. Now recommended dietary allowance of biotin. So daily intake of about 150 to 300 milligram is recommended for adults, as biotin is synthesized by intestinal microorganism in such a large quantity that a dietary source is probably not necessary. So that is about active form and recommended dietary allowance of biotin. Now biochemical functions of biotin. So we have already discussed that biotin is required for the carboxylation reactions. So biotin is a coenzyme of carboxylase reactions where it is a carrier of carbon dioxide. And the examples are, first one is acetyl-CoA carboxylase. This is the rate limiting reaction in the biosynthesis of fatty acids. Over here acetyl-CoA is converted to the malonyl-CoA. Second reaction is propionyl-CoA carboxylase. And the reaction is propionyl-CoA is converted to the methyl malonyl-CoA. Third important reaction is pyruvate carboxylase, which is an important reaction for the gluconeogenesis. And the reaction is pyruvate is converted to the oxaloacetate. Fourth reaction is catabolism of branch-chain amino acids, which are catalyzed by beta-methyl protonyl-CoA carboxylase. So that is about biochemical functions of biotin. And biotin also plays important role in the gene expression regulation by histone biotinylation. So that is all about biochemical functions of biotin. This is the picture showing the how biotin helps in the carboxylation reactions. So as we have discussed that biotin act as a coenzyme for the carboxylation reactions. So biotin captures the molecule of carbon dioxide which is attached to the nitrogen of the biotin molecule, and the energy required for this reaction is provided by ATP. And then the activated carboxyl group is transferred to the substrate, so the substrate is converted to the carboxylated substrate. So that is how biotin helps in the carboxylation reactions. Remember, carbon dioxide is attached to the nitrogen of the biotin molecule and the energy is supplied by ATP. Now biotin independent carboxylation reactions. So first reaction is formation of carbamyl phosphate by the carbamyl phosphate synthetase in the urea cycle. Second reaction is addition of carbon dioxide to form C6 in the purine ring. Third reaction is conversion of pyruvate to the malate by malic enzyme. And the fourth reaction is gamma carboxylation reaction, which is a vitamin K dependent. So these are the biotin independent carboxylation reaction. For this carboxylation reaction, we don't require biotin as a coenzyme. Now deficiency manifestation of biotin. So since biotin is widely distributed in plant and animal fluids and intestinal bacterial flora supplies adequate amount of biotin, natural deficiency of biotin is not well characterized in humans. The experimentally induced symptoms of biotin deficiency are nausea, anorexia, glossitis, dermatitis, alopecia, that is loss of hair, depression, hallucination, and muscular pain. Now we will see cause of biotin deficiency. So the first one is people who consume high amount of uncooked eggs. Egg white contains the glycoprotein avidin, which binds the imidazole group of biotin and prevents the biotin absorption. Avidin is a heat labile and boiling of egg will neutralize the inhibitory activity. An egg white contains avidin and egg yolk contains biotin. So in such people who has an unusual dietary habit of consuming large amounts of uncooked eggs, there is a deficiency of biotin. This avidin-biodin system is commonly utilized for the detection of pathogens in the enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, that is ELISA test. Another cause for the biotin deficiency is use of antibiotics that inhibit the growth of intestinal bacteria. It eliminates this source of biotin and it leads to the deficiency of biotin. So that is all about biotin. Now we will discuss NEET PG MCQs. The first question, it was asked in AIMS November 2015. Biotin act as a coenzyme for all except, and the options are pyruvate to oxaloacetate, acetyl to the malonyl-CoA, propionyl-CoA to methyl malonyl-CoA, and glutamate to gamma carboxyglutamate. So we have already discussed that all these three reactions are dependent on biotin, and biotin independent carboxylation reaction is glutamate to gamma carboxyglutamate. For this reaction, we require vitamin K. So the correct answer is D. Second question is, biotin is a cofactor for carboxylase, oxidase, hydrolase and decarboxylase. So the correct answer is, for the carboxylase enzyme, biotin is required. So the correct answer is A. Last question, it was asked in NEET 2016. Excess of avidin causes deficiency of biotin, choline, vitamin B12 and folate. So excess of avidin causes deficiency of biotin, which is present in uncooked egg. So the correct answer is A. These are my references. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Thank you.